Hello everyone. This video is going to take you through how we're going to navigate um, the digital learning here for Science 9, okay? Um, and so I have this video made that'll kind of show you stuff. It's the same as what's transcribed or written out here, and then there's a translation copy of this into Spanish at the bottom of this so that you can kind of access it multiple ways depending on what you need. The first and most important thing that I'm going to tell you about doing Science 9 online is that you need to reach out immediately if something isn't working, whether that's a link or a document opening or connecting all of your stuff together, or just you don't understand the content. Now, I understand that for this class, this might be a little weird because you've probably never met me in person. I promise you, I'm not that scary. I am here to help you. That's my job. That's what I'm here for. And I want to help you. So please reach out to me. I would rather you over communicate than under communicate. I will make sure that my email address is linked in here, but Schoology message also works just fine. And then a little bit later in this video, we'll talk about my office hours. The next thing I'm going to show you here, I'm going to make myself a little tinier so that we can look at the calendar. Now, whoops, I'm going to go back to our main Science 9 page here. So where you can find all of this information is right here in the Navigating the Digital Science 9 course. The calendar is linked right here. And I'm going to show you this. One thing I want to say about this is it's a working thing. You can see I'm not even planned out as far as when we're supposed to go back to school. So I have a week here where I haven't planned this out. And this is a pretty generic plan. But you can see your due dates for quizzes and learning plans are in blue, and then your projects are in yellow. So you can kind of use it for reference of due dates. If we're going to have a test or anything like that, that'll be right on this. And I will continue filling in as we go. A couple things to notice on this. Right now, all of the learning plans are due on Fridays and all of the projects are due on Mondays, okay? This may change. I have no clue. The learning plans and the quizzes, sorry, not energy, that's just what this one is called. The learning plans and the quizzes are each a formative, and then these projects are summatives, okay? So you're gonna wanna make sure you're keeping up on these, and I will do lots and lots of reminders for you, okay? Biggest thing, this is a working document. It may change, and it probably will change. I shouldn't even say may. Next thing, the learning plans. You're going to get a new one each week, and it'll be posted in Schoology in a folder. It will have links to all the assignments within one document, and then you're going to link your assignment once it's done, or maybe right away, back into the learning plan so that that learning plan is kind of a home base for all of the resources and all of the notes and everything that you've created for that unit. There's a quick video right here on how to navigate a learning plan, and that's going to really show you how to do that linking, how to open things up, where to find different things. Okay, so that's going to be a great video. You're going to want to look at that and see it early and often. Lastly, my office hours. As I said before, email and Schoology Messenger are great ways to get in contact with me, but if you're really feeling like you need face-to-face help as much as we can be face-to-face over the internet, my office hours are from 1 to 3 p.m. daily on Google Meets. Now, you can access Google Meets by following this link right here or by dialing this number from a mobile phone and typing in that PIN. Now, this is available to students or parents, and if that time doesn't work for you, just let me know and we can schedule a one-on-one call at a more convenient time for you. That works for both of us. I did make a quick video here on kind of how Google Meets looks and how to turn off your video and your audio and that kind of stuff. So make sure you reference that before you hop on. It is a call that's available to all of my students, so that means not only this class of Science 9, but also my 5 chemistry classes that I have. So when you hop on, be prepared to be on for a little bit of time because you might end up kind of in line behind some other students. I think that's all I have for this video. I am hoping that this will go smoothly, and that it's not a super difficult transition. Like I've said many times, and I mentioned it at the top of this video, make sure you're reaching out as soon as you have an issue. So if there's anything I went over in this that you're confused about, please, please, please reach out to me and ask me. Otherwise, happy sciencing.